Just moved into a new home, remodeling. One thing I'll notice, a lot of door handles are missing, and some are in gold, but our home is a very modern theme. So I found the perfect set of door handles, and we're getting them all switched out today. Loving these. They look so good. So this is what the set comes with. Everything you need, and then you have your instruction sheet in Spanish and in English, and here's what it looks like when it's on. This is the back side of the door, so coming from inside the room, and if you wanted to lock it, simple lock, and then it is now locked. Here's the front side, and then that has, if you accidentally lock yourself out or whatever, you could just use a coin or a screwdriver to open it back up. Goodbye gold handles, hello black handles. Here's the installation in progress by our contracting team. Just looks so much better.